Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can perform a hard reset for Huawei FreeBuds 5A. It's not really difficult, it's simple. So what you want to do is you want to close the Huawei earbuds case, you want to open it, then you're gonna have both earbuds, don't take them out, and you want to hold this button. Do you see it? So you're gonna hold it, and then when you're gonna hold it and press it, the white lighting is going to change to red. See? And now it's red. So this is how we're gonna do it, and it's not really difficult. Now it's been reset, you're gonna close it, and that's it. So thank you very much for watching. If you can have any questions, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day, and goodbye.